So today we are going to have a look at some of my best shots over the past 10 years. And while you watch each of these clips, ask yourself the question, can one really judge the wind 100% every time you take a shot? I will reveal the answer at the end of the video. And for a bonus, see if you can spot the 2 clips that I've never posted before. Leave your answers down in the comments below, so sit back and enjoy.
122 meters away, and that's about 8.5 mils of holdover. The wind picked up, but it seems like I don't really need to hold for the wind on this shot, as the dove is sitting in the right direction for me. It's a young rock pigeon, so let's see what happens. 8.5 mils for holdover and nothing for the wind. Seems like there's a little bit of wind there. And I got it. Man. And the way it fell, it really looks like a headshot, to be honest, or a neck shot. I might be wrong, but it is going insanely on the ground there, flapping all over. That was a beauty of a shot. 122 meters, maybe a headshot. Okay guys, this is actually, it was a headshot, to mention that first of all. As you guys can see there, just going to turn the head around. It was a nice clean headshot at 122 meters. Oh, yes. You see it expires. 141 meter shot, and I'm not sure if it's a headshot or what shot it is, but I got it, and it's a clean kill. Man, I am stoked. In 20 km/h wind, I couldn't ask for something better. Okay, so I quickly went to fetch the one that I shot at 141 meters, and I've been all through the feathers now to check where the impact of the pellet is, and to be honest with you, I cannot find any blood. When I got to the rock pigeon, there was blood that came out of its mouth, but like I said, I've been running all over the neck, over the head, over the chest and the back, underneath the wings, to see if there's any impact wound or entry wound where the pellet might went in. Oh, 101 meter clean kill. Man, oh man. Let's make it 3 and 2.5 for the wind. And I got it. Cleanly killed. That looks like a headshot. Got you. Headshot. That will be 100 meter headshot. Great. 97 meters away. And let's see. This one is facing its back to me. I'm going to give it a 1 mil for a little bit more than 1 for the wind, overcompensating for the shot. And like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to fetch that dove now, and I'll show you. That was a perfect headshot. It was a little bit more than 1 mil for the wind, but like I mentioned before, overcompensating for the shot will give you a nice clean ethical headshot most of the times. If it's not a headshot, you'll get a neck shot. Okay, so I quickly want to show you the first shot that I took now. Yeah, I showed you, told you guys was a headshot, and you probably can see on the replay that it was a headshot. A brilliant headshot. I struck it right in the eye. Oh, overcompensated in another headshot. Yeah, what a brilliant shot. Brilliant. 100-meter headshot. Again, overcompensating, and another headshot. That's 3 headshots now so far. And I got it. Second shot. The first shot, it seems like there was a little bit of wind, so I just corrected my shot for a shot placement. Just held a little bit for the wind. The wind is actually coming right in front of me this way. So I'd say if this is my 12 o'clock, this would be around 2 o'clock. So I held like, say, a quarter mil for the wind, and actually I was able to get that one. A little bit less than 1.5. That worked. There's another dove sitting over there. What a beauty. What a beauty. This one is at 65 meters. You have to shift around. And 65 meters will give me 1 1/4. So let me just find it in the scope. There we go. You got it. And it's going straight up. There it comes in. And come down. Boom, right here at the back. Man, oh man, I have to grab the camera quickly. Oh goodness, I don't know where I shot it. There's the tree that I shot it out of. Right from that branch right there. And it flew all the way around. And it made a crash landing right here somewhere. So let's go check. Here it is. Came down right here. And good gracious, let me just, sorry for the bad footage, I just need to place it somewhere where we can take a look at what's going on here. Look at this. I shot it right in the throat, and it seems like it maybe ran out of breath or something, and it came straight down. Actually just flew up straight in the air, made a turn, and then came down. So that's basically the first time in my life that I see something like that. That's crazy. So 138. That should be around 8.5 mils of all over. That's really stretching it. I'm not going to waste all my pellets, especially in this wind. So I'm just going to give it a couple of shots and see if I can whack it. I'm just looking at the trees here, and it seems like the wind is blowing in that direction. So let's see. Eight and a half. Just gonna give it a little bit for the wind as well. Oh no, I got it. I got it. The furthest shot I ever got with this gun. This was the first shot I took today with this gun. Oh my soul. 138 meter shot.
And here's what you all have been waiting for. Have a look at this crazy shot.
74 meters. Let's see. Oh no. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 74 meter. I honestly think it's a headshot. The way the dove actually acted, I really think that it must be a headshot. And I could actually see the pellet in flight when I took this shot.
Let's have another look, then I'll break it down for you. Okay, as you can see, I compensated for a left-hand wind. Initially, I didn't hold enough for the wind. But a few meters before the pellet would have missed, a wind from the right hand side came in and swept the pellet right into the dove's head. So take a look here. Here you can see the pellet is already past the dove's head, and logically it should have missed. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit more so you can see it even better. In real time you'll never be able to see it. Let's compare the real time to the slow motion. I'm just gonna sit here in the shade quickly to show you guys. It is damn hot at the moment. This was a perfect headshot. So, can you always judge the wind every time you take a shot? My answer is no, I don't think so, even if you have the best equipment to help you. When our lockdown eventually ends, I will make a follow-up video to explain it in more detail. So the best thing you can do is to practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.